Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, make sure to stay and join the fam because this video is about to blow your mind because of how good my blowout looks. Alright, that was crunchy. Anywho, today's video, I know I haven't been on here lately, but it is about my hair this time. I've been loving the straight blowout fluffy look recently. It's the Revlon hair dryer. I know it's like been going around everywhere, but this is the best video to watch because I know how to use it greatly and it works really good. So if you want to have some good looking hair like me and have a cute blowout going on, then just keep watching. So I am just fresh out of the shower, combed my hair. It is a little damp. I let it dry like just while I was doing my skincare routine. What I'm going to do is go ahead and take my heat protectant because the Revlon brushes are like super damaging just because there's heat directly on your hair. So I would recommend using a heat protectant for sure. I'm using the Toni & Guy Prep Protectant Spray. Definitely will link it down below, but I just spray this on like my ends to ensure that I don't get any split ends, any frizziness going on. Make sure our hair doesn't break off completely. We're back. So the second step to this blowout routine is you need like a hair sectioning device. Maybe a hair tie, maybe a hair clip, whatever you want to use. I use anything I can just find. So what I'm doing is just taking my hair above the ears and sectioning it off. Twist, twist, twist. And clip it away. And then I have like a little section that I'm gonna start blow drying. So we're gonna start this whole process. So what I like to do is use high, not middle, medium, low, because your hair is gonna take for like 2 hours to dry, and that is not happening. We want this to go as fast as possible. So we're taking this bad boy and we're gonna start by the bottom section. What I love to do is go under like this, just like go under and keep rolling it and smooth it out. Under, keep rolling it, smooth it out. Do that for the whole bottom section. And I kind of like alternate it each section. So I go under for this one, and then for the next section I'll go over, so then you get like that curl wave going everywhere blowout look. You'll see it then. To do like thinner sections just because your hair will dry way faster. But as you can see, the hair looks like super smooth and just like super curly and bouncy. So now we take, ow, did you hear that rap? Now we take our next section. So my hair is pretty thick. It's like normal, but if you have like thinner hair, it's definitely gonna take you not as long to do it as my hair does. That's why I sometimes don't do this. Oh, sorry. So now we are going to curl over instead of under. Okay, now we're doing the top section. That's what we're gonna do. So I do like 3 sections, something like that. So I just like make a part on the top of my head. And if it's like too big, then I like do 2. separate sections. And I pull these up. Then I make a little bun and clip it. Also, sometimes what I like to do is take the brush, go under to the root, and leave it there for about like 10 seconds. And it's gonna give you a lot of volume on the top of your head.
It's been a while since he has left. Had some time to self-reflect, so now I'm writing this to you. I'm really sorry.
So I don't know if you saw what I did, but I took like some of my little layers that I have in the front, took them by themselves, sweeped them upwards, and I kind of made that swirl look in the front, which makes it look really pretty.
Easy thinking about you every day, wishing you'd appear. And maybe I'm losing it, 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to a boy without a name. So here's the
Okay guys, so I just finished and it's very bouncy. My hair is naturally straight, so it just depends on your texture of how your blowout's gonna look. I like mine personally straight, fluffy blowouts. Just depends on how you like it. If you want it a little curlier, throw some rolls up in there, leave them for about 15 minutes, take them out. You're gonna see some more curls. But this is the finished blowout look. It's very cute, very sleek, very fluffy. And if you sleep on it like I'm about to do, it's gonna look even cuter in the morning. So thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.
day, wishing